Life on the water offers unparalleled serenity, but it also demands building materials that can stand up to the unique challenges of a riverside environment. Constant moisture, spray, and humidity are the sworn enemies of ordinary doors, leading to warping, rust, and decay. For your houseboat, the entry point shouldn't be the weak point. Our specially engineered marine-grade steel doors are designed from the inside out to provide unwavering protection and lasting beauty against the elements. Traditional materials falter where our steel doors excel. We begin with a robust, hot-dip galvanized steel core, providing a foundational barrier against rust. This is just the first layer of defense. The true innovation lies in our advanced multi-stage coating and finishing process. After rigorous surface preparation, we apply a sophisticated polyester powder coat finish, or a specialized marine-grade polymer coating. This creates a seamless, non-porous barrier that actively repels water, resisting moisture penetration that causes internal corrosion. For the ultimate protection in splash zones, our PVC laminate-clad steel doors offer an additional, impervious layer, immune to rust and offering superior scratch resistance. The finish is further treated with UV inhibitors to prevent fading from sun exposure, ensuring the elegant appearance available in wood grain textures or contemporary solid colors indoors, season after season. Our doors feature integral water threshold systems and continuous, thermally welded PVC seals around the entire perimeter to block moisture, drafts, and even pests. Stainless steel or corrosion-resistant hardware components complete the system, eliminating potential failure points. Don't let maintenance and replacement concerns dampen your life by the river. Our steel doors offer the security, durability, and low-maintenance performance your houseboat requires, allowing you to focus on the view, not the upkeep. Choose the door system built for the beauty and rigors of waterfront living. Secure your riverside lifestyle. Request a consultation for your houseboat project today.